DIY. Redirecting a vent under your bed safely.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our DIY guide on how to redirect a vent under your bed without damaging your precious flooring or carpet. We'll take you through a simple, step-by-step process to achieve this goal. Let's get started.
Why is vent redirection necessary?
Over time, you may find that your room's layout changes and now there's a bed, or any large piece of furniture, blocking an HVAC vent. Blocked vents can cause uneven heating or cooling and also put unnecessary strain on your HVAC system. Redirecting vents can help improve air circulation and the overall efficiency of your HVAC system. Today, we will learn a safe and non-destructive way to do that.
Gathering your materials.
To do this, you'll need some key tools and materials. These include an extendable vent redirector, duct tape, a tape measure, a screwdriver. Ensure you have these materials ready before you proceed to the next step. The extendable vent redirector and duct tape can be found at any home improvement store.
Measuring and attaching the redirector.
First, use your tape measure to check the distance from the vent to the edge of the bed or furniture. You want to ensure the redirector, when extended, will reach this point without any strain. Once you have your measurements, attach the vent redirector to the vent using the screwdriver. Many redirectors come with a flange or mounting plate that can be screwed directly onto the vent. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws, as this can damage the vent.
Extending and securing the redirector.
After securing the redirector to the vent, extend it towards the edge of the bed or furniture. Do not push the bed or any furniture onto the redirector. It should have some space to allow free airflow. Use the duct tape to secure the redirector to the floor or carpet lightly. Ensure you do this in a way that won't damage the carpet fibers when the tape is removed.
Checking the airflow.
Once everything is set up, turn on your HVAC system and check the airflow from the redirector. If the air is flowing well, then congratulations, you've successfully redirected your vent without causing any damage to your flooring or carpet. And that's it. We hope this guide on safely redirecting a vent under your bed has been helpful. With these simple steps, you can improve your room's heating or cooling efficiency without causing any damage to your floor or carpet. Always remember, the goal is to improve air circulation without causing harm to your home furnishings. Thanks for watching and happy DIYing!